Administration has reduced tariffs on Bangladesh's imports from 20% to 19% after both nations reached an agreement last evening. Now, as part of the deal, the US is committed to allow zero-duty access for certain garments, but if they're made using American-produced cotton and man-made fibre. That's not all. Dhaka will also provide preferential market access to US's industrial and agricultural goods, including chemicals, medical devices and auto parts. Also, they've opened up their market for dairy products, beef and poultry. Several Indian textile stocks remained under pressure today after this deal was announced. Traditionally, India has been the largest supplier of cotton and yarn to Bangladesh. In fact, India accounted for 46% of India's cotton yarn exports in 2024. Speaking to CNBC-TV18, the apparel solutions company Pearl Global ruled out any imminent concerns for India. Take a look.
Bangladesh was always more competitive than India because of the whole ecosystem, and the price of the product that we get out of Bangladesh has been much more competitive compared to India. Now, this kind of deal will make it incrementally more competitive. I don't see it's a massive change.
A reciprocal tariff deal has cut US tariffs on Bangladesh's exports to 19%, slightly above 18% which have been levied on India. Zero reciprocal tariffs would be charged on certain Bangladeshi textile and apparel goods produced with US cotton and man-made fibre, and the details of these are yet to come out in the public domain. Now, exporters fear India's newly gained tariff advantage in the US market will be nullified with this development. However, several details of exemptions for Bangladesh still remain unclear and yet to come out in the public domain. Clarity is awaited on Bangladesh's textile or apparel categories which will qualify for zero tariffs, on which any further details would bring more clarity on the issue. Bangladesh's use of US origin textile inputs may also raise costs for its exporters in the American market. It remains to be seen how things are going to pan out in the next few days, even as the US remains India's largest export destination for textiles, accounting for nearly $10.5 billion in exports.
All right, Abhimanyu, many thanks for joining us. And speaking of tariffs,